Alright, so today I have some colors with us to help us for today. Because we're going to be doing a Frayer model. Do you know what a Frayer model is?
You do one kind of.
Kind of? So, what a Frayer model is, it's a tool that's going to help us understand new words. Like, I'm going to go ahead and write idea. Because I want to figure out this word. Now, with idea, let me look at a passage I have. As Pete the cat had an idea for what to do with his friends. Now, Pete the cat, an idea. He's thinking about something over here with a little question mark in the bubble. So that means that Pete, or that idea, could mean something to think about. So I can write that down right there. Something to think about. And an example. Well, he does have a little bubble on top of his head with a question mark. So I can go ahead and draw Pete. And then I can draw the little bubble, little question mark bubble he was having, a thought bubble. So I had a whole bunch of circles. So short. And an example that would be, it would probably be the pizza.
We're almost done.
Well, I'm almost done with my part. But you're gonna have to do this. Because I have an example of what an idea is, and I'm writing what a non-example of what an idea cannot be. So I can draw a pizza. Because that's not an idea, because I have my definition, something to think about. Now I want to use it in a sentence. I want to use idea in a sentence. So I can write, yeah, I want to write, I have an idea about pizza. So I figured out what idea meant using the story, something to think about, and I was able to draw an example where Pete was thinking about something. He was having an idea. And I also draw a non-example, which was a pizza. And then using all that, I was able to create a sentence. I have an idea about pizza. Because I'm using idea in my sentence.
I'm gonna chop.
You're going to draw pizza? So, our word, or your word, is going to be groovy. Now, let's look at this passage. Well, first, I'm going to read it to you. Then, I'm going to give you another example. Grumpy Toad said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. So, in groovy could mean.
Kinda.
Let's look at Pete and his friends. You think groovy could mean sounds good?
Kinda.
Kind of good? Because let's look at the sentence before groovy. Well, that's something new.
New.
And
There
then,
is puzzle.
but maybe
Maybe
pickles could be groovy.
two.
So I'll go ahead and let you write down. What do you think groovy could be?
Kinda door.
Could be kind of good. Something that can be kind of good.
Yeah.
Something kind of good. Lady. So we want to write down our definition first. Here, you want me to get that for you? Well, here. You want to write before we let that idea escape.
What?
So what do you think groovy can mean?
Kinda.
Kind of good. So we want to write that in this box right here. That's going to be our definition.
Hold it down.
Do you need help writing your definition?
Yeah.
So what are we trying to write? What is groovy? Oh, well, we want to write our definition here. So what do you think groovy is?
Kinda.
Kind of good. So we want to write kind of good, right?
Yeah.
Which would start out with K. Kinda. Can you write good? Well, what does good start with? G, right? Good.
That G.
That's G. And good. What's that? What's that long sounding? Good. Ooh. Good, right? What letter is that? O. Right?
O.
So, and is it just one O in good?
Huh?
Because we're making a long sound, aren't we?
O G.
Good. Does that sound like one O?
What? No.
No.
Two.
It's two. And what's that last sound we're making at good? Good.
The.
What's that letter?
D.
D.
D?
Yep. Well, let's go ahead. That's a B. But if we just put the line on the other side, then we can fix it to a D. So kind of good.
Top two.
So, groovy is kind of good. And what about an example of groovy? What would be something groovy, you think?
What's yellow. Or that's too bright.
I think that might be too bright to see.
Yeah.
Let's use like that. That's a similar color.
Did it work? Did that work?
So what kind of picture are you going to write for groovy in the example box?
Pizza?
A pizza? You think pizzas can be groovy?
Mhm.
What do you think can make a pizza groovy?
Pizza.
Just pizza?
Pepperoni, cheese, and pickles.
And pickles.
And then puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
Puzzle people.
So let's draw a pizza. Let's draw a groovy
I need
pizza.
red. Oh, red. I don't need cheese. brother buy pizza with his own money.
With some money.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's different. Pepperoni, pepperoni. Cheese. That's it.
We're done. That's your groovy pizza.
Yeah, that's cheese. Wait, pickled. Pickle. Ba, ba, boo, ka, ba. Boo, ba, ba. Boo, ba, ba.
Now, that's our groovy pizza, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think would not be groovy? What do you think would not be kind of good?
Well, actually, that will not be good enough.
What wouldn't be good?
Actually.
Apple. Do you want to draw that?
Yeah. I know you doing this time. Woo!
You got it.
Big purple. Ice cream. Yeah.
Oh, green ice cream.
Okay. What color one? What trigger one? I want it to be coconut.
Coconut. But coconut wouldn't show up on white paper, wouldn't it?
I need to use brown.
Brown? That's close. It can be like cooked coconut. Coconut ice cream is not groovy.
Chocolate. I will coconut over after that.
Alright.
Now,
Is that your non-example of
wait, one more.
not groovy?
One more.
One more?
Noodles.
Noodles?
Yeah.
Noodles. Noodles are not groovy
On the pizza they not.
on the
But
pizza.
they told me. I do like noodles for my choke.
Okay. So
But
coconut
on a
and
pizza, that's
noodles.
on that. Okay, that's not my noodle pizza.
That's your not groovy pizza?
Yeah, it's bad.
Alright, so now that we have, now for our word, so far we know that it's kind of good, and we have an example of a groovy pizza and a not groovy pizza. Do you think we can use it in a sentence?
Yay!
Yeah? So let's think. How can we use groovy in a sentence? Because what does groovy mean?
Really? Sounds good.
Kind of good. So how will we use it in a sentence? Like how I used idea. How Pete had an idea about pizza. So how can we use groovy?
Pizzas. Alright. And it was time.
Let's think. So groovy.
Ruby friends.
Pete has groovy friends.
No.
Are Pete's friends groovy?
No.
No.
Pizza friends. Alive.
Well, how can we use groovy then? What can we describe kind of good? Mm-hmm.
Friends.
Pete's friends are groovy.
No.
So what do you think?
Pizza friends.
So let's-
Alive.
So let's think of ideas. What do you think is kind
And
of
it
good?
was time to build a bridge.
Oh, watch it. Here, can you sit down, please? Let's think. What is kind of good? We have our pizza, right? And what kind of pizza is it?
Actually with noodles.
Is that groovy or is that not groovy? Well, it's groovy.
They were with pickled cheese and like it no more.
So our
That pickle.
pickle pizza is groovy?
Yeah.
So we can use that in a sentence, right? So we can say
Pickle.
a pickle, cheese, pizza.
Pickle? What pickle? What's that say?
That's pickles.
Pickle.
So we can write
Pickle.
a. Well, we want to start with a because we want to describe
Just
dairy.
A.
That's how we want to start our sentence instead of just saying pickle. There we go. A pickles. A pickle.
Hey. Now we want pickle. Oh.
Pickle and then we want to write and. A pickle and let's say pickles. We want to just write pickle, so we got to remove the s. Right now we want to write and. And. So that starts with what? And. Let's say it slowly. So. And. So it'd be a. Well, not and, like E. We're talking about and. Like pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachio. But we're, so what does and start with? A. Here. Let me go ahead and just start you off so we can. So pickle, A, and. What's that sound? And. So what do you think is the sound in and, Nikolai? Let's look at over here in the passage. Grumpy Toad said pepperoni, pretzels, and pretzels. Is that and right there? A, N, D. Yep. And. And that's what we're trying to write, right? Here you go.
Right here or down?
I already started you off with A. So what two other letters do we need?
Two more.
We need A. And what's that last sound? D. And.
Finally.
So a pickle and cheese. So what's that first sound in cheese? And what's that letter? What are those letters making that sound?
After they will be done.
So what are those those two letters and ch. Let's think. There's chicken.
Chicken dog.
There's cheese.
Cheese. Chicken.
So what's the first letter in chicken?
Cheese.
C, right?
Yeah.
And what makes the ch sound?
Oh.
Is it R?
No.
No.
T.
C and H. So we would write C and H, right?
T.
Cheese.
H.
Yep. And H.
H. That H.
That's just L. We're looking for H.
L. That L.
So what's the next part in cheese? What's that? What's the next sound we hear in cheese? E. What's that?
E.
E. Is that just one? Is just one E?
No, two.
Two. So we write two E's, right?
What is E? E. Is that E?
Yep. And we just need one more. And what's the next sound in cheese?
Cheese.
What's that? What's that sound?
H.
That's H and
No.
do we know anything that makes that sound? B S, right? I makes
F.
S.
How many?
Just one.
Yay.
And then we need one more E for
Why are there so
cheese.
many E's? Why are there so many? One,
A pickle and cheese pizza.
a
We
pizza.
want to write pizza now. You've seen pizza, right?
Somewhere.
And somewhere.
Pizza. I would like to the pizza part.
So let's see. Pizza. That's a P, right?
Pizza.
So a pickle and cheese.
Oh.
P.
P.
What's that sound?
E.
P.
I like pizza.
P. This is I, right? In pizza?
Wait, this?
In pizza? P. I. That's an E. Look.
P. I.
And what's the next sound in pizza?
I.
Well, after I? So pizza. Pizza. What's that sound? Z. Z. Do we know anything that makes a Z sound?
H.
H makes the Z sound?
S.
S makes the S sound, right?
No.
No?
No.
S makes Z. Like in zap or in zebra.
D.
Z. So we need, and that's a long, yep, and we need two Z's. Because that's a long sound, isn't it? Made it a little bit too small there.
What? Like. I don't have like one. Silly me.
There you go.
No.
You just need one more. And pizza, right? What's that last sound in pizza?
Pizza.
Well, let's think of it. What's the last sound in pizza? Say pizza.
Pizza.
What's that last sound you're saying? Right? So what letter makes that sound? Pizza. That's an A, right? In pizza?
Stay right here.
pickle and cheese pizza can
be good.
Well, what's another word we just figured out for good?
P.
P? That means good?
No.
No. What word are we going over? What's our word we have? We have for our model. Groovy. So pickle and cheese pizza can be groovy.
Two.
Can be groovy too. So we just got a few more words to go. So let's write can. What's that first sound? What's that letter? Can. C, right?
Yeah.
And then we have an.
N?
Like an A?
No. N.
So it'd be can.
No.
No, can. Can. So what's that next sound? An. Is that not A? Can. So can. Or is it can? Where's that sound come from in can? So let's think. Can. What's that sound? What letter is that, do you think? A, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's that last sound?
N.
N.
Period.
Well, we haven't wrote groovy, had we? No. So a pickle and cheese pizza can
B.
be
Groovy.
can be groovy too. So can we write B? Now when we're writing the word B, is it just the letter B?
No.
No. What's with B? Or what's besides the letter B? What's next to it? E.
T.
E. So we write E. Can be. So right there.
Wait, what time?
Ross, right there. So can be. We already wrote B, right? And we need what letter? E. So we're gonna write an E there. Yep. Can be. So a pickle and cheese pizza can be groovy. So do we already have groovy?
No.
No. Oh, do we have groovy somewhere on this paper?
Right here?
Is that groovy?
No.
Kinda good.
Right here?
That's our sentence writing. We don't have groovy yet.
You have no
Groovy. Good. Groovy. Right? Groovy? Is that groovy?
No. Yeah?
Yeah. So we need to write groovy.
That good one.
Pickle and cheese pizza can be groovy
Two.
too.
Oh. Oh.
V. There you go. Surprised that it hasn't broken in a while.
But the ginger.
We're almost finished. We're not writing the 2 as in T-O, but we're writing 2 O's. So 2.
Oh. I don't know what this is. Oh. Oh.
Is that 2? Where's the T?
We didn't even want. Oh, what?
Well, is that 2? Because the sound. T, t. What's that first sound? T, t. It's T, right?
Yeah. The first letter is T.
The first letter's T, followed by 2 O's. So where's T?
Right here?
Is that a T?
No.
Is that a C? Or are we going for a T? Is this a T? In it? Or what?
T.
T.
Yeah.
Right, for 2, right?
This?
And we forgot to put a cross. There we go. And what do we always end off?
Period.
Period.
We're done.
And we're done. Good job. Do we think we know what groovy means?
Yeah.
Done?
What does groovy mean?
Yeah. Time good.
Kinda good.